Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Kiissi Unstoppable, and today I'm making sweet potato muffin for you, so stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Better can't cook. Think you you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back.
So guys, here's my ingredients. I have some cornmeal, some brown sugar, some flour right there, and I have some vanilla right there. I have some almonds. I have some almond right there, and I have some rose water right there, and that's my coconut milk, and that's my sweet potato. So guys, I'm gonna throw in my vanilla. I'm gonna put in my almond, and then I'm gonna put in my rose water. So I'm gonna mix everything into the coconut water, not water, coconut milk. I had my flour, so I'm gonna sieve my flour, and I'm gonna sieve my cornmeal, and I'm gonna put a dash of salt, and I'm gonna sieve everything because you don't want no lump inside of your sweet potato muffin. Yes, so I'm gonna sieve everything into that bowl right now. Yeah, right, that's so. Yeah, sieve so you don't have no lump. So guys, I'm gonna put in my nutmeg and my cinnamon together, and I'm gonna sieve that also into the dry ingredients. So I'm sieving the flour, the cornmeal, the salt, the nutmeg, and the almonds. So now I'm gonna put in my brown sugar inside my flour. I'm gonna mix it in so everything can be even. I'm gonna pour my coconut milk inside the mixture, and I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix everything around until it's smooth. Look at that. Yes, gala worker and right there. So right now, yeah. So guys, I'm mixing in the flour, the sugar, the cinnamon powder, the nutmeg. So I'm gonna add my sweet potato in, and this is like maybe 1.5 sweet potato, because this sweet potato I have, it was left over from my sweet potato pudding. So I said, you know what, let me make some muffin with it. So I'm gonna add some raisin to it. Yeah, so I put my raisin in, and I'm gonna mix everything together right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix in everything. You don't want it too thick, and you don't want it too runny. It's supposed to be in between, normal, smooth. Everything should be smooth. Flour should be mixed out and everything. So I grab my muffin tin, and then I'm gonna spray it with some vegetable oil, because you don't want it to stick to the bottom. So I'm gonna spray it with my vegetable oil, right? So I'm gonna take out the mixture, and I'm gonna pour it inside my muffin pan. So I'm pouring it inside my muffin pan right there. So I supposed to get about 12. I'm not sure if I did get 12. Yeah, I got 12. I didn't get 12, I get 11. So it still work out the same. So guys, look at that. Look at that. And I baked these for like 1 hour. Yes, look at that. I'm gonna put the ingredients down in the description below so you guys can know how I do my sweet potato muffin. Look at that. Look on the little juicy on top. Look on the little juice, what them call it, the custard on top. Look on top. So guys, this is how I make my sweet potato. Instead of putting it in a pan, I put it in muffin tin. So I get some sweet potato muffin right here. Oh my god, look at that glaze on the top. Look at that wetness on the top. Oh my god, it tastes so good, guys. It tastes so good. This is my first time doing it, and it turns out good, and it looks good, and it's delicious.